Good day, everyone. So in this video, we are going to assemble what we were designing in the previous video. We were designing the parts of the tailstock. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to assemble all the parts. So if you want to know how I designed each and every single one of these parts, you can just go to the previous video of the tailstock and you will see all the parts that are how I designed, and so that you can design it for yourself as well. So what you're going to do after designing the parts is that you're going to take all of those parts and then you're going to place them right over here. So in any way that you wish, of course. So I've placed all my parts, and then 9 of them, last I checked, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to assemble this tailstock. So I'm going to start off by using this tailstock body as a reference. So you're going to ground it so that it does not shift, okay? Now, secondly, I'm going to use this exploded isometric drawing as a reference. So you're going to start off by taking the dead center and you're going to insert it into that hole over there, right? The diameter of the dead center is 22, and also that hole is 22, meaning that the hole is going to end right over there, right? It will not intersect directly. It will just end. It will have an end point, which is over there. So before we insert the dead center in real life application, you know that you have to like insert this one, a locker, so that it does not shift that much. So if you can see right here, if you insert the dead center, right, and you insert the locker after, it will not get in. So we're gonna start off by entering the locker. Then you're gonna say constraint, and then you're gonna go to assembly, and then you're gonna say mate. Okay, then you're gonna insert it into that hole. Now keep in mind we are locking it, okay, meaning that that cutted section over there is equivalent to the circumference of this hole as well. So you're gonna select it and then select this hole. Then we can insert our dead center. So for inserting the dead center, we're going to use the constraint of insert, and we're going to select that endpoint and then take it onto that point level as well. So now there we go. Then after that, we're going to insert this stud, the adjusting stud. Okay, so the adjusting stud, the diameter is 16, and that hole also, it is the diameter of 16, meaning that it is going to the outer diameter, which is 20, is not going to enter into that hole of diameter 16. So you're going to select, oopsie, sorry, select that point, then you're going to insert it there. Okay, then after doing so, what's next is you're going to insert the wheel. So now let's insert the wheel. There we have it. We have inserted the wheel. Okay, now after you have inserted the wheel, you're gonna input this key. Okay, now you're gonna go to constraint, and then you mate, select that edge, make sure that it's exactly on the edge that is relative to that edge. So much edges that I'm saying right now. Okay, so now you're gonna have to make this invisible so that you can just take this keyway and take it all the way back there. Okay, but first I'm gonna make sure that it does not shift a lot. Just gonna select that face and make it to be equal to that face. Then we can take that end and take it at the end point of the key. Okay, then we can make our wheel visible using the model browser. Then we are halfway there. Actually, we're nearly done. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bolt. I'm gonna take this bolt and we're gonna input it there, and then we're gonna tie up that locker. Now you're gonna say insert, and then you're gonna go there at that point, and then there we go. We have locked it up. Now all that's left is the washer. Select insert as well, and then take it up to that face. Then from there onwards, you can insert the bolt. And there you go. You have completed your assembly, the tailstock assembly. There you go. You can just look at it from different sections. Half sectional view. You can just come at this plane. Then you can see how it looks right over there, right? Even the front. And there you have it, your tailstock assembly.